Seeing attic window in a dream. If one's attic window towers over a large and a beautiful property in the dream, it means owning or acquiring a new property, earning respect, honor and fulfilling one's aspirations. If the view from one's attic window is depressing in the dream, then it means relief from difficulties, or if one is sick, then it means recovering from his illness, or if he is unmarried, then it means that he will get married. If a woman looks at an attic window in a dream, it means that she will get married. Discovering an attic window in a house that does not have one in a dream means the spread of one's authority or the success of one's business.